Hello dear friends. Today we are going to learn 2.1 comparison. The poem Comparison is a beautiful poem by an unknown poet. The poet has described and compared many similar and dissimilar things. The poet has used the technique of opposite words to compare the things in this poem. The poet has made comparisons on the basis of speed, nature, size, shape, temperature, taste, strength, and time. In this poem, we are going to learn about the comparison. You know that comparisons means, or what do you mean by comparison? We compare between two things, and these two things must have at least one common features. Look at here in this poem. Use adjectives, nouns, and there is also use as. Means you know that when we use as, like, there is a simile. Now at first I am going to read this poem. Fast as spaceship, slow as snail, big as dinosaur, small as nail, fierce as tiger, gentle as lamb, sour as lemon, sweet as jam, dry as the desert, wet as the sea, square as the house, round as a pea. Now, in this poem, there are some new words. Now, let's see the new words. First, here is given spaceship. Do you know what is means spaceship? Spaceship is a vehicle that travels in space. Then you know that snail. 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 Snail means a small soft creature with hard cells on its back. In Marathi we call Gogolgai. Then dinosaur. Dinosaur is a huge animal, lived millions of years ago. Then there is given nail. Nail means you can take nail means your nail means these are the nails. Otherwise you can take nail means khira. Then fierce. Fierce means angry or aggressive. What is means fierce? Angry or aggressive. Gentle. Gentle means quiet or mild. Then sour. Sour means particular this is the taste. Sour we say that acidic things. ज्या ठिकाणी म्हणजे आम्ल किंवा आंबट पदार्थ असतात ॲसिडिक टेस्ट. You know that what is means jam and sweet, dry and wet, then square and the round. These are the new words in this poem. Now we are going to learn this poem detail. Look at here. Fast as a spaceship and slow as a snail. Fast as a spaceship and slow as a snail. Look at here. Fast as a spaceship, and this is the spaceship. Fast and slow as a snail. Means here is comparison of the speed. Means try to understand the speed of the spaceship. Spaceship is fast, and then try to understand speed of the snail. Snail is a slow. Means in these two lines there is the comparisons of speed, fast and slow. If we try to understand, this is also antithesis. Means opposite words are used here, fast and slow. Then take next, big as a dinosaur and small as a nail. Big as a dinosaur, this is the picture of dinosaur. Okay, and then small as a nail. Look at here, small as a nail. Big as a dinosaur and small as a nail. This is one nail, and you can take also this is nail. Means here is comparison size. You know that the dinosaur is which huge animal, and you know that nail means your fingernail very small. So that here is in this two line, which big as a dinosaur and small as a nail. In this two line there is the comparison size. Then take next two lines, fierce as a tiger and gentle as a lamb. Fierce as a tiger and gentle as a lamb. Okay, look at this. Fierce as a tiger, this is tiger. Very fierce means aggressive or angry animal. And if we take the example, here is the lamb, very gentle. Means in these two lines there is comparisons between two animals about their character, or about their temperament, or about their nature. Okay, and let's see here, fierce, aggressive and gentle means very mild, soumya. Means these are the two opposite words. Then take next two lines, dry as the deserts and wet as the sea. Dry as the desert and wet as the sea. Look at here, dry as the desert, this is desert, very dry. And if we try to understand about the sea, this is the sea. Means dry as the desert and wet as the sea. You know that dry means shushka, and wet means adrata. Means here is comparisons of the desert. Desert is a dry, and sea is the wet. Then take next example, square as a house. Square as a house and round as a pea. Means here is in this two line there is the comparisons of shape. Means try to understand the shape of the house, and then try to understand the shape of the pea. Pea is round and house is square. Means in this poem, the comparison, there is the compare two things, but they have at least one common features. Now let's see, in this poem there is the use of as, and you know that in simile and metaphor there is also comparison, and in simile we use comparisons of two things for as and like, and in this there is at least one common features. Now look at there in this poem also, fast as a spaceship and slow as a snail. Means if we considered about these two lines, then fast and slow, these are the opposite words. So that the figure of speech is antithesis. Take another example. There is also used as, so that we can say that there is used a simile. Then if we try to understand fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail, means fast is also used here adjective, and spaceship is noun, and slow is used here adjective, and spaceship is noun. Okay, means comparative form is used here, means adjectives are used here, and noun, adjective and noun pairs are used here. These used for the comparative forms. For example, big is an adjective, and small, big and small is an adjective. Big is used for the dinosaur and small is used for the nail. Means these are the describing words also. Then fierce as a tiger and gentle as a lamb. Means fierce use adjective word for tiger and gentle for lamb. Then sour is a lemon. Means lemon is a noun here, and sour is an adjective, as like sweet as a jam. Means sweet is used here for describing jam. Then dry as a desert and wet as the sea. Means dry is used for the desert to describe, and wet is used for the sea to describe. And then square as a house and round as a pea. And square is used for describing house, and round is used for the describing pea. Means in this first part of the poem, there are used adjective and nouns here. There are used opposite words just such as fast and slow, big and small, fierce and gentle, sour and sweet, dry and wet, square and round. These are the opposite words. Then take examples of, if we considered about the four lines, then we will come to know that what is the rhyming pairs or which are the rhyming pairs in this poem. Now look at here. Look at here. Spaceship, snail, dinosaur and nail. Means snail, rhyme word nail. Then in next four lines, tiger, lamb, lemon, jam. Means lamb, jam. Okay. Then take next, desert, sea, house, pea. Means here sea and pea. Okay. Means snail, nail, lamb, jam, sea, pea. These are the rhyming pairs used in this poem. Now we have learned that what adjectives words are used to here to show, means shape, size, temperature. Can you tell me what adjective words are used here to show shape? What adjectives are used here to shape? Okay, square and round. In shape for square and round. Size, big and small. Then temperature, fierce and gentle. These adjectives are used to show the temperature, size and shape. Okay, then look at here, means there are used also pair of the adjective and noun. Pair of the adjectives and noun is also used there, and these are the use for the comparative forms. आपण जर मराठीमध्ये जर म्हणजे याचा जर विचार केला तर त्यांनी पहिलं सांगितलं की फास्ट ॲज अ स्पेसशिप, स्लो ॲज अ स्नेल. म्हणजे अंतराळासारखं म्हणजे वेगवान किंवा जलद, आणि दुसरं गोगलगायसारखं मंद. बिग ॲज अ डायनासोर म्हणजे डायनासोरसारखा मोठा, आणि काय सांगितलं की स्मॉल ॲज अ नेल म्हणजे आपल्या नखासारखा किंवा खेळासारखा छोटा. फिअर्स ॲज अ टायगर, जंटल ॲज अ लॅम म्हणजे वाघासारखा, आपण ज्याला असं म्हणू शकतो भयंकर किंवा हिंस्र, ॲग्रेसिव्ह. आणि जंटल ॲज अ लॅम म्हणजे कोकरूसारखा शांत, जे मेंढीचं पिल्लू असतं ते कसं असते, शांत असते. सॉर ॲज अ लेमन म्हणजे लिंबूसारखा आंबट, आणि स्वीट ॲज अ जाम, जामसारखं म्हणजे गोड. ड्राय ॲज अ डेझर्ट, ड्राय म्हणजे आपण काय पाहिलेलं आहे की शुष्क, म्हणजे डेझर्टसारखं म्हणजे ड्राय किंवा शुष्क, आणि सीसारखं वेट, आर्द्रता असलेलं. अँड स्क्वेअर ॲज अ हाऊस म्हणजे स्क्वेअर ॲज अ हाऊस म्हणजे आपण ज्याला स्क्वेअर असं म्हणतो, स्क्वेअर म्हणजे चौकोन असे घर, आणि गोल असा वाटाणा. मीन्स इन दिस पोएम there is the comparisons of speed, size, then character or temperaments or nature, then taste, then there is the dry, and here is the weight, means temperature is given there. Okay, and square and round means shape is compared there. Okay, do you understand this poem? Okay, then next session we will learn a remaining part of this poem. If you have any doubt about this poem, you should contact me on my personal numbers. Okay, thank you very much.